From aluminum extrusions to precision machined components, JLCMC provides custom aluminum extrusion machining services for industrial applications. Online 3D design validation. Preview and verify designs before production to ensure accuracy and manufacturability. The process begins with carefully selected aluminum extrusions. Selected aluminum extrusions are inspected and prepared according to customer requirements, ensuring precise dimensions and reliable machining performance. Using precision sawing equipment, JLCMC cuts aluminum extrusions to the required lengths with tight tolerances and smooth cut surfaces, preparing them for the next machining steps. After cutting, aluminum extrusions undergo CNC drilling to create accurate holes and machining features based on customer requirements. Precision tapping creates accurate internal threads, ensuring consistent quality and reliable fastening for component assembly. With precise machining control, JLCMC delivers custom aluminum components ready for efficient installation and assembly.